chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, I do not know what happened. I did the recording and we did the Margaret Miller challenge together, and we did the Messy Maze art together recording. Then when I went back to upload the recording and to fix it, the volume was like way down and my volume on my TV was at a max. So I'm not sure what happened, and I hope it's recording now and the volume is picking up now. Okay, let me fix this. Hold on. All right. So this is our Margaret Miller week 19. And that is something found in a doctor's office, a spiral or swirl pattern, texture paper, a coupon, a measurement, and something starts with a D. So this is what I did. And I put this background down, and I put the swirly candy background down. We've got the ruler for the measurement. Then we've got the medication and alcohol and dome and stuff here for the doctor's office and the D. Then I have the flower here, because you know, they always have a little flower, whether it's fake or real at the doctor's office, you're going to find a flower somewhere in a building. And then I just continue this over here for this pattern. And then the corner here, I did the Kathleen Meyer fold on my pocket and made a pocket out of my Dollar General coupon. And that is our week 19. All right, thank you muches. Now, I don't know what happened, but that's what happened. This is the messiest thing. I swear, I have so much fun doing this, and it is so messy, and it looks like god awful. But it is so fun. I mean, it really looks fun to make this look this god awful. Okay, so what we did for it was, this one was week 4. And week 4 was the floral to go out and get the experience of the floral and the beauty and let the inspiration and all of that and do a whimsical floral thing. So that's what I did. I put down the flowers back here. We put some of those Wilmore stickers back here behind it and up. And then I took my paint, which is the same color palette I've been using, with the Ukrainian blue and the olive green and the red and yellow and ocean teal blue, green blue, and I think that was it. And I went through and did the extra messy flowers and brought this in and put that in and all that good stuff to make it like a big flower background. Then I took the dry brush gesso and just sewed over it like it was maybe a foggy morning or something. Then I took this big paper of the dandelion and with the word wish on it to put over top of it, and that makes a little pocket there. And that was day 4. Day 5 was here, and that was mark making. And on the mark making, it says mark making can be just the start you need and a great way to get your feelings out and express your emotions. So, you know, it was a little chaotic yesterday, everything going on. So the chaos kind of came out in the art. So I did some jelly printing on the back with the little square stencil behind it and did that. And then I came across the top of it with that same stuff and just did some markings on it and some lines and some dots and a flower and I don't know what all else. And it was just kind of a chaotic mess. I felt better afterwards, but you know, I let all my chaos out. Okay, then day 6 is here, and day 6 is ink smooching. So I smooshing for a background in your art journal. embrace perfection and imperfection and get your fingers inky. And I did. I think it finally, no, there's still just a little bit on me today. But I did some ink smushing, and we used just a sheet protector. And I put my Tim Holtz Distress Oxide ink down and put a little water with it and used the plastic to smooch the layers and layers on it. And it was faded blue jeans, worn lipstick, peeled paint, and the yellow was mustard seed. And we just did that all over the page to have for a base of ink smooshing. And that was day 6. And that has got us up until today. So I thank you for watching. And I hope you're having as much fun as I am. I'm having a ball making that thing look so messy. All right. I'll see you in a little bit. Y'all have a good one. Bye.